What does it mean to look expensive? Expensive people are value-driven and they buy products that give them value, not for the short term, but items that are valuable 1 and 2 years later. When you look expensive, people automatically assume that you have a high standard. You carry yourself differently. And we all know that people tend to treat you differently when you're dressed well. In today's video, I'll share 5 key ways that you can look more expensive. The first is to invest in classic outerwear that won't be out of fashion in 1 to 2 years. This means spending some extra dollars to get a good quality coat that's long and one that's short, as well as a few sweaters that can be layered over your other clothing. Forget the trends and focus on purchasing coats like a classic camel or a navy peacoat. Choose a coat that meets your knee in the colors beige or black to add a luxurious vibe to your whole appearance, and get a flattering fit. The second thing you can do is to iron your clothes. Take the extra time on a weekend to iron your clothes for the week. When you have a few minutes in the day, iron a couple of items so that they're ready in case you have to go out if you work mainly from home. Get those wrinkles out. A crisp look and iron clothes elevate your style and makes you look more put together and expensive. The third thing that you can do is to include high quality accessories that can mix and match. Again, here, you don't want to hop on trends with accessories and forget to have high quality items like handbags that are structural and well designed. A sturdy handbag will last longer. Choose neutral colors, black, beige, white, or go for luxurious details, even if it's not real leather. The fourth way to look more expensive is to wear neutral tone clothing. Wearing neutral tone clothing tends to be more elongated on a woman's figure, and monochrome outfits also make you look well put together and can be easily mixed and matched, so you can wear these colors for several outfits. Neutral tones such as gray or black tend to hide quality issues if a fabric is cheaper as well. And colors like beige give you the appearance of calm and coziness. Finally, nothing you wear will matter if you're not well groomed. It all starts here. You can walk out the house with no makeup on, but powder and lip gloss and still look put together and expensive because your hair is neat and your nails are manicured or well polished. Skip the rubber band in your hair and make sure you're taking a bath or shower daily so you smell nice, even if you're not wearing perfume. Looking good starts with feeling good, and this includes taking the time to take care of yourself. Well, ladies, I think these 5 tips gives you a good foundation on elevating your look. I'm going to go over what they are. Invest in classic outerwear that won't be out of fashion in 1 to 2 years. Iron your clothes. Include high quality accessories that can mix and match. Wear neutral tone clothing and be well groomed. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to hit the like button so that this content is shared with more women who need these style tips.